So guys, today I am going to a place called Flora Fountain, and that place you will find a lot of books, used book, second-hand book in very cheap rates and of different category. I purchased filmmakers book, which is really hard to find. When that book is available, then no other book is left. And time is around 4:50 in the evening, and today is 24th September, and I am sitting in a park in front of Churchgate railway station, Mumbai. So before moving further, let's have some change. Now let's go. तो आपको पहले चर्च गेट से निकल के गेट नंबर 4 से निकलना होगा और वहाँ से बिल्कुल स्ट्रेट जाना होगा। So till now you have seen 2 shops of books, and rest of the shops are opposite the road. You can see there. So guys, apart from these book stalls, at this place Flora Fountain, you can find so many good stuffs, and I am going to show you those stuffs. तो गाइस, आज के वीडियो के लिए बस इतना ही। मिलेंगे किसी और ब्लॉग में, तब तक के लिए खुदा हाफिज़, टाटा, टेक केयर, गुड बाय। और हाँ, पानी पीते रहना क्योंकि जल ही जीवन है। बाय बाय।